Hello dear children, good morning. In the last lecture we have studied the phases of mitosis, prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Now in this stage we are going to study the second type of the cell division. It is called as meiosis. Okay, so these are the stages of the meiosis. Meiosis occurs in the two stages, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. So whatever the diagram I have shown, it is the diagram of meiosis 1, prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. These are the four stages of the meiosis. Okay, now see here how actually meiosis occurs. See, meiosis meiosis is completed through two stages. म्हणजे meiosis दोन अवस्थांमध्ये पूर्ण होतं. These two stages are meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Okay, what are these two stages? These two stages are meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Okay. In meiosis 1, recombination or crossing over between the homologous chromosomes. Homologous chromosomes means the chromosomes which are structurally and morphologically same. म्हणजे त्याचं स्ट्रक्चर आणि मॉर्फॉलॉजी सेम असते. म्हणजे रचना आणि रूप सारखं असतं त्या क्रोमोझोम्सचं. Those chromosomes are called as homologous chromosomes. In meiosis 1, recombination or crossing over between the homologous chromosomes, and thereafter those homologous chromosomes means not sister chromatids are divided into two groups. Sister chromatids means newly formed chromosomes. They are not taking place in the meiosis 1 division. Only homologous chromosomes are getting divided into the first phase of the meiosis, and thus two haploid cells are formed. And due to the first stage of meiosis, two haploid cells are formed due to the division of homologous chromosome. Okay. Now, haploid cells means the cells which are containing only one set of chromosomes, and diploid cells means the cells which are containing two cells of chromosome. Okay, so what is the basic difference between mitosis and meiosis? In mitosis, due to cell division, two N cells are formed, means the cells are formed with the two sets of chromosomes. In the meiosis, haploid cells are formed, means the cells which are containing only one cell of one set of chromosome. Okay, and two N cells means two set of chromosomes. Okay, diploid cells. Now this is meiosis phase number 2. Okay, prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2 and telophase 2. These are just like the phases of mitosis here. Now what is the meiosis? See here, meiosis 2 second stage. Meiosis 2 is just like mitosis. Okay, see here. Meiosis 2 is just like mitosis. हे mitosis सारखंच असतं. In the stage, which stage meiosis 2, the two haploid daughter cells are formed in meiosis 1, undergo division by separation of the recombined sister chromatids, and four haploid daughter cells are formed. Okay. Now whatever the haploid cells are formed in meiosis 1, okay, haploid daughter cells are formed in meiosis 1 that undergo the division by separation of recombined sister chromatids. In meiosis 1, division of sister chromatid do not takes place, but the separation of sister chromatid takes place, and division of homologous chromosomes takes place by crossing over. Okay, so in meiosis 1, the division, whatever the haploid daughter cells are formed in meiosis 1 undergo the division by separation of recombined sister chromatids, and four haploid daughter cells are formed. Meiosis 2 मध्ये किती haploid cells तयार होतात? Four haploid daughter cells are formed. See, these four haploid daughter cells are formed. Okay. Process of gamete formation and spore formation occurs by the meiosis in this type of cell division. काय तयार होतं या मेयोसिस 2 सेल डिव्हिजनमध्ये? द प्रोसेस ऑफ स्पोर फॉर्मेशन म्हणजे बीजाणूची निर्मिती, अँड गॅमेट फॉर्मेशन. गॅमेट फॉर्मेशन म्हणजे स्त्रीच्या अंडपेशी आणि पुरुषाचे शुक्राणू, ज्याला गॅमेट म्हणतात इंग्रजीमध्ये. ओके, स्पर्म्स अँड ओवाज दे आर फॉर्म्ड इन द मायटोटिक डिव्हिजन फेज नंबर 2. Four applied daughter cells are formed from one diploid cell. Okay, how many cells are formed? Four haploid daughter cells are formed from one diploid cell. Means uh, the cell which is containing two sets of chromosome. From that cell, four cells are formed which are containing only one set of chromosome. So, four haploid cell means n daughter cells are formed from one diploid 2n cell. During this cell division, crossing over occurs between their homologous chromosomes and thereby genetic recombination occurs. ओके, या पेशी विभाजनाच्या वेळेस ड्युरिंग सेल डिव्हिजन क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर बिटवीन होमोलोगस क्रोमोझोममध्ये क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर होतं आणि त्याच्यामुळे जेनेटिक रिकॉम्बिनेशन होतं अँड देअर बाय जेनेटिक रिकॉम्बिनेशन ऑकर्स. ड्यू टू दिस जेनेटिक रिकॉम्बिनेशनमुळे काय होतं? ड्यू टू दिस ऑल फोर डॉटर सेल्स आर जेनेटिकली डिफरंट फ्रॉम पॅरेंट सेल्स. ओके, त्याच्यावर डॉटर सेल्स म्हणजे न्यूली फॉर्म्ड सेल्स. डॉटर सेल म्हणजे काय? नवीन जन्माला आलेल्या पेशी. ओके, जेनेटिक रिकॉम्बिनेशन झाल्यामुळे काय होतं? वॉट एव्हर द न्यूली फॉर्म डॉटर सेल्स आर देअर, दे आर टोटली डिफरंट फ्रॉम देअर पॅरेंट सेल्स अँड फ्रॉम इच अदर टू. आणि नवीन तयार झालेल्या ज्या डॉटर सेल आहेत त्या मूळ पेशीपासून भिन्न असतात आणि एकमेकांपासून सुद्धा भिन्न असतात, असा या सेंटेन्सचा काय आहे? अर्थ आहे. ओके, सो दिस इज द मेयोसिस 1 अँड मेयोसिस 2. You have to write down this meiosis 1 process and meiosis 2 process in your notebook. हे तुम्हाला वहीत लिहायचं आहे. पुढचं आहे ट्राय दिस. याच्यामध्ये त्यांनी ॲक्टिव्हिटी दिलेली आहे. ओके, what is the activity? If you observe the cells of onion under the microscope, you will see the phases of mitosis in the onion root tip. म्हणजे कांद्याच्या पेशी जर तुम्ही हे बघितल्या याच्या खाली मायक्रोस्कोप खाली, तर तुम्हाला त्याच्यामध्ये मायटोसिसच्या अशा फेजेस दिसून येतील सेल डिव्हिजनचा. ओके, सो नाव वी विल स्टडी द क्वेश्चन्स वन बाय वन हिअर. What do you mean by diploid cell? Okay. Diploid cell means the cell which is containing two sets of chromosome. What do you mean by haploid cell? Haploid cell means the cell which containing only one set of chromosome. What do you mean by homologous chromosomes? Homologous chromosomes are those chromosomes which are structurally and morphologically same. म्हणजे त्यांची रचना आणि त्यांचं दिसणं हे सारखं असतं. Whether gametes are diploid or haploid. Why? Gametes are haploid because they are formed by meiotic division of cells. Okay, how haploid cells are formed? Haploid cells are formed from the diploid cells. Okay, 2n cells. Okay, by meiotic division. What is the importance of the haploid cell? Haploid cells are nothing but these are the gametes. Okay, these gametes are formed due to the meiotic divisions. These haploid cells are useful during the process of reproduction. So that is the use of the haploid cell. Okay, so here this lesson is over. In the next period we will, in the next lecture we will discuss about the exercise of the lesson. Okay, thank you.